For the next step of fixing a broken warp thread, take a new piece of yarn and tie it on to the damaged warp thread so that any damage is in the tails for the knot and we have sound undamaged yarn above it. Then thread your new yarn through the tablet in the same direction as the other threads, taking care not to turn the tablet so it doesn't get out of sequence with its neighbours. Then put a pin through the band and wind your new yarn around it in a figure of 8 pattern, making it the same tension as all the threads around it. Then you can continue weaving, and after you've woven maybe 10 to 20 centimetres, you can take out the pin and use a darning needle to poke the tail from that yarn down into the back.